Welcome to Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island, Canada, also known as the birthplace of Confederation. This video will provide 10 reasons why people love Charlottetown.
I was just a gamer back in 69. Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island. Population of about 36,000. Charlottetown is the capital city of the province of Prince Edward Island. Now just for context, we have a map here. We have circled Charlottetown. Charlottetown is 50 minutes from Summerside and 35 minutes from Cavendish. Now this video will provide 10 reasons why people love Charlottetown. People love Charlottetown because of the Confederation Centre of the Arts. One of the first places to visit should be the ultra-modern Confederation Centre of the Arts, which covers an entire city block and opened in 1964 as Canada's national monument to Confederation. It houses a museum, art gallery, provincial library, 2 theatres, and a restaurant. The venue is perhaps best known for the annual summer production of Green Gables, the musical, as part of the annual Charlottetown Festival held from June to September. People love Charlottetown because of the walking tours of Charlottetown. The city's Victorian neighborhoods are a perfect place for strolling, and taking a walk, tour with a guide, or self-guided is one of the most popular things to do in Charlottetown. For a self-guided historic tour, pick up a map at the Welcome Center in Founders Hall at the Waterfront. The Confederation players, in authentic Victorian costumes, play the roles of delegates to the 1864 Charlottetown Conference, and the Secrets of Charlottetown tour also brings a history to life with old stories of old Charlottetown. People love Charlottetown because of the farmers market. Every Saturday morning year-round and Wednesday mornings in the summer, local farmers, craftspeople, and food producers gather at the Charlottetown Farmers Market. Browsing here is a great way to mingle with locals and shop for locally made souvenirs. And of course, there are foods of all sorts, from fresh-made waffles and donuts to pierogies and whole grain breads. People love Charlottetown because of Victoria Row. In the daytime, the traffic-free Victoria Row is popular for shopping, a highlight for many tourists being the Anne of Green Gables shop. In the summer, sitting in its sidewalk cafes and restaurants and listening to the live music from its open stage is one of the favorite things to do at night. People play chess and checkers at the picnic tables along one side of the street. People love Charlottetown because of St. Dunstan's Basilica Cathedral. The red sandstone spirals of St. Dunstan Basilica are an elegant feature of the city skyline and a reminder of Charlottetown's Victorian heritage. The seat of the province's Roman Catholic diocese was built at the end of the 19th century in the French neo-Gothic style and rebuilt after a fire in 1915. At that time, its interior was redesigned in a somewhat more English Gothic style. People love Charlottetown because of the Beaconsfield historic house. The elegant villa of Beaconsfield was designed by W.C. Harris and built in 1877 with lace-like wooden decorations and a graceful dome. The mustard yellow building is a prime example of Victorian architecture, and the interior design and furnishings of this lovely old house make a tour well worthwhile. It now houses the Prince Edward Island Museum and Heritage Foundation. People love Charlottetown because of the Province House National Historic Site. Near the Confederation Centre stands the Province House, the birthplace of Canada. This 3-story sandstone building was constructed between 1843 and 1847 as the colonial government building. Today, Province House is the seat of the Parliament of Prince Edward Island, and parliamentary rooms are open to visitors. People love Charlottetown because of Prince Edward Battery and Victoria Park. With its wide views, Prince Edward Battery is also a strategic position on the harbour. A waterfront boardwalk leads from the city centre out to Victoria Park and the Battery, where visitors can see a row of cannons and small barracks. Victoria Park is the largest of Charlottetown's many public parks and is a popular summer attraction for families with its grassy lawns, playgrounds, swimming pool, and tennis courts. People love Charlottetown because of the Government House. The elegant white Government House in Charlottetown, also called Fanning Bank, is set amid formal gardens in the grounds of Victoria Park. Built in a Georgian style, the building became the official seat of the governor of the island after 1835. It is now the official residence for the Lieutenant Governor of PEI, who represents Queen Elizabeth II in the province. People love Charlottetown because of the Peake's Wharf and Confederation Landing. For souvenir shopping, waterfront lunches, ice cream, boat tours, and views of the harbor, tourists and locals head to the harbor, especially Peake's Wharf and its row of shops and boutiques. The adjacent Confederation Landing is a waterside park with a boardwalk, gazebos, shady benches, and an inline skate park. It is especially beautiful in June when the roses are in bloom. There is often free live music at Peake's Wharf, and in July and August there are free daily and evening concerts. Harbor tours and sightseeing cruises are among the favorite things to do for tourists in Charlottetown, and this is the place to find them. The reasons provided in this video are not all the reasons why people love Charlottetown. If you've got a reason why you love Charlottetown, pop it in the comment section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now!